I GC News, Lima Bawumia Akwaba. I had the latest and hot news in Kwa, and I did a promo. I don't see so we now subscribe ya, or more than say over subscribe. You'll be honest, over click a subscribe button. Now, obey notification. We understand new video be upload also one side and back can be. I feel we are now what like video. Give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my say what's up. Share now of so now we be here now Womunia Akoso Ewo Ghana Memohan. Afriyie fair a year and summer abato ye proso iti a year in Sabuya Akoso iti.
A year little Tedam fan and Kwada woman di say woman date young fan to her. Dear Yanko Yindi, Yanko Yindi, Yanko Yindi, Yanko Yindi, Ankwa Ankwa. Bia young fiance Uncle Bom, Yanko you wait, Yanko you wait. That's for 20 na while Bonnie said talk. Dear Nakabu Bank of Ghana apprentice come out and so Bank of Ghana Bob Bessia and so where see fan Wakwatam and so contingency Ukwatam 500 million and so who are the potty pa ya this guy. No says kosa just like that.
Kwabena beti me aka say sika aba ben ho. Obeti me aka say o pe ususu die no. Na obeti me so ache say aban no sika aba no ne no ama waye no say o di gu nsani ani a enso wani. So just say. But say wo ka say
sana making.
But say wo ka say abayni timi nye bibi potin bia
ma Jerry
enya accurate
okay what dear why no any sika.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Na me expect bibi.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Bibi say what bibi say eniema kase bi
akase te say e dey na we expect
ma Jerry
because we say Maka University of Ghana Medical Center phase 2 hono
oh ma Jerry ye kwadu anu ani nanka wabula General Hospital egu na we see ultra modern bibi say what sisi e majeri wala nkrampa ye yansem trefui me say mami bibi ba ya 10 ya e wo Greater Accra region ha obeka so mampeni na nadu ye wei e generate wei I'm talking about na madini ya me say oh mahama ye terminal 3 nukura esha wanye ni ye odisika wanya kama mi besi terminal 4 na westi terminal 4 ni pagina wa wa say wow na nado terminal 4 oye University of Ghana Medical Hospital okay it's good
oye phase 1
fine
oye phase 1
well
a fantastic health facility
well
Nanado by Wabe phase 2. Very fantastic.
Oh, University of Ghana Medical Center. Now, let me also do another one. And we can UST Medical Center. Now we see what more than one. Just like the same thing. Bank of Ghana. Means see the way. That is abrabo obia or pe brabo pe talent. Now, we said then Tase kuromu atena kura ena no nkwala wo mudina airport a wo mutu kwan sansem afiri wo manu mu ba omo ko atena nya dabio atena nya video betre wo ade na wo chechire
Kwabena na so ka bi say eno na say asemo wo mo say han tranye de since when Ghana tena ye obi de dabe
ya di obi ade ye ne yie
me say dabe na Ghana etena ye obi de
ma Jenny ye betumi ama ha setena aye ye
dabe na buronya bi adu ama ye ka say buronya we die emu odeda
ma Jenny ye betumi ama ahanom asetena aye ye nde say wonsa ti be ye woda nti say wonsa ye mu ye nyina ye titi hanom yi Majani ntutum did say mean to me nya peni bi muwa me say Kwabena woni wo yire no mamuntu kwa mun kwatena burotire nkobobra metumi aye But when such a buyer would die and Tessa won't say him. Mimi Janenko, Mamma Cassa, Mehunia ye, Messimenka, me come and watum, Meko at the end of the day, Messaba back.
We will talk. I bet you buy on your
ne expectation no man to me and me 30% impo.
I bet you buy you know.
Ne expectations
we expect you free the honor.
Anyamimpo.
Debbie can
me cradia oba say oh Kwabena Agyapong okutana na adumu me cradia be kasa me mpena say ono ane nkofo ni bi kura mpo ya disappointed.
Say 30%. Expectation in terms of what?
Ne performance, governance, fighting corruption, and be fighting that I'm saying in terms of economy, and Niama just be idea be our kind ye be a danting. Na ye won penifo so wa hanom a enkombenya kukuduro akasano. They don't talk. And will be a canon watum. Once you are the be our casano, we end this in me when I won't pen us some.
Yeah, course, no.
Oh, my daddy, sometimes I am near some give you up. Near in I entinem. Is here $16 CD. My daddy, Mimi did just saying, and Yama saying I'm a crabber. Moi, woman, daddy, shall cast ya crana fe. And $1 some cry come on. But me na madi America.
Just a medium in can be that.
Who can be but to whom much is given, to whom much is expected.
Just a medium in can be that.
Who crack us tell me.
Galamsey as a min can be that.
$, who crack my daddy a few crack us. And the Michelle status to share or DB out the tour.
I
cast ya with your cast ya cry.
And now we pickups be transferred by until one crop for now my way. I catch
politicians didn't be a pay intimate the number.
I'm Bajaba, my dear. Why? When you tear rubber monocra.
Can Ukran necessary making. Now what do you feel means?
The what premiers are got to 10 crew, my yes.
Men found to 10 crew. One necessary cassa chairman.
I just say what premier to 10 crew.
Mimpo $, saying Sammy Nama wallet to Alasanam Penny Bio.
Menu actually at Yaka $, Samo. Menu at Yaka car, no boy, the answer.
Expectation no man to me a meet.
I will make me home. I just Obia expectation and we a lecturer. Will students be Philippa?
My daddy one.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Zanka o mai mutna ebeye ye de. My daddy abrochire tna no. Enye yize saa o. Enye yize kura he ahai wonnam na donso de wo a no wa park kwan ho wa donso gu tai ho wona wo kro no. Abrochire ye chewa ye de wo kwasa katika kohwesa wo hote sen. Wo chia nipa no a opa obeje so opa wanye so. Majari abrofo na ye hu omu saa no. Racism ni ade no e wo ho mu mpa ya sam saa o.
Okay.
But ye ni option bia. Na ye ni aya chichiri ye kuro na mu asetena ye de. Emmebu na nyaduma ye, emaba wa nyaduma ye, obia tumi nya ne kakrawa de sikani ton wo hia ni tumi tobi. Ye nyina timu kama. Uhu ni a wate ya no wage so. Oh, ade na nka efeche we.
Na baby a me de nkomo ni free. Me start here free anope. Eye de akoko bedi ansa na pese bro beba. Because ohwe manifesto ni mu ampuntu nyuma kese no. Ba yo ramahama say impremprem Ghana for how kese pa ene ahokyera wo mu. Obroni say hardships. And the ansakra now the big push beba ansakra now the farmer service centers beba all those lovely policies beba no. Die na ban be ye. Ama ya na ye dagemu aye ho hyehye ye ne ho be henhan. Die di kan eto bebriba owura Bawumia dia begu ye nso. The Oshe boso be move from taxation to production. what treke or the 419 saka wadi na wo de to be 40 abegu yen so no president Mahama say watie how watie yesu oba e-levy akromfo to a Bawumia de aba wo send mobile money na ya ti usika no oba obetwam tintontan un send momo Bawumia na ka say momo ahiafo na ni se de e-levy to so onya tumi ya no de e-levy bae enya me na me kan ono ane kasa mafo Gideon Boakye say Bawumia supports e-levy. Google it. Se me boa Dr. Gideon Boakye, Dr. Bawumia supports e-levy. Google it. John Boadu, NPP General Secretary. Samira ye pass e-levy. On an chief executive officer of NPP, no cabinet meetings. Or say Bawumia was instrumental in the passage of e-levy. Google it. Kojo Kyeremanteng kroma aban kasa mafo. Or say Bawumia e-levy mra no kro ne twere. Bawumia ne twere. So what we are talking about here is John Mahama is coming to abolish the e-levy. Ono na obe tumi agina because he has never supported it, he has never been part of it. John Mahama say etwa nyansen nim na eye asisifo to. You see, we are say abako say mo hina na nitim we dem pa woto ho nim ni din. Your friend Ken Emperor or the Emperor Vespasian.
You are watching Juicy News
on
on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
And aneba ego ka che ne say ura de wuye enye ofa kwen and odem man golden kwen odem man no si hwia hwe e wo pampa e bon se da bi o se sika mo ono na de tax eto jonso so but onu mpo no Vespasian wanfa yare ananeto one fat one to yare so the whole world Kojo wow me say ene is about Ghana. It's not about NDC, it's not about NPP. About why Akoto no. Why do you say between NDC and NPP? Why a mistake? It is between NPP and Ghana. It's between NPP and Ghana. And not in the end penny na no hini two bet na wakonya we so. Yesterday I played the tape on NDC 360. Maybe mu here. O say Ghana for your boy who so to abama NPP bi mu a. Na no hini two ano ye general secretary of NPP. O say NPP for e mu Ghana for BM da. This is the reason. Krobie ni wiase a omo COVID-19 levy krobie ni ho. Omo nya COVID no in the millions, 100,000 of cases. Ma nipa wu ye. Ma omo ye months of total lockdown. They don't have COVID-19 levy. Na masa say we nyansa be ni wom. Say yare aba be say nipa nsa no nwuma. Yare a aba be kum nipa. Yesanso de daneto. You HIV levy or Kojo. You cholera levy.
Debbie.
Na typhoid levies were. So what is the sense in say COVID? I bet say ni pansa no adwuma. Even some African countries like Rwanda, Paul Kagame, and citizens seek to support them because of COVID. Yeah, over 30 billion cedis because of COVID. I've been watching you here reading the Auditor General's report about what they use that money for. Kwa mo fa so di se sika no e cheche ma mo party for mo ma enya bi amayen wo san so de yare da ne to president Mahama so be twem. It is in the manifesto. Na de hina bufu kra ne sa betting levy no masa Kojo ami nche bibi me to de bi amanfo se ye support chacha betting na ye kan wasem na enye chacha tete chacha na spa chacha ne casino chacha ne bi ne ye kan no. And ahochira bagana my boys girls adwumani ho. The oye adwumani kra na masa okofia empty pockets untimi mu akohoma. Empty sports betting has become a refuge for those hopeless unemployed young people. Empty the oye na say Arsenal ne Chelsea kobobo ozi Chelsea be she 2 Arsenal be she 1. Etone lies one we nya kakra kwa kodidi eye ball football prediction we nya chacha wu bia wakwa fasika dia akotena casino ana spa chacha enya sa chacha ni bia kojo ye nchrebu yie we kwa ball your phone so ye ball your phone so Ghana na
national lottery laje atu na do na oje husika
o just na ye na ta free companies na ye no enya mfaso obeje omoto aje omoto ko UK asa na omoye no mfonso bi anim take the tax from the company. Na Ghana ni na ono oni adwuma masa na bet no kra no bedi ba ko no Kojo we try ye dino be 50 million. We try net 10 cedis near dino. Oh, especially Arsenal supporters no more Germany.
What say?
Arsenal supporters no more. Say they be a show. Omo be raise hope na video omo raise omo ba. Enti ene o Arsenal be she two we near dino. And one day and the prediction be fa. Ah, okwa kwaje kakra ne no so Bawumia se family 10%. Uye nyankopon waje tight. Uye nyankopon waje tight. Ade. SCCC President Mahama say no so oba obede obetwam. Eto boni bi o masan so dia beto yeso awodwen wa wonte ase ye fere musie to emissions levy. Ene Bawumia Agyapong levy waje to COVID or the to so. Yare o. You can say bet or the to so or the to financial services so or the to it is a appetite to increase sanitary part or the to so ni owie yen anso no se emusie so the to so emusie enti na afidie bi produce emusie bia wotua to say ya bobo ya Mahama can do omo krabia na ze den pragia trotro 207 taxi Uber omunyina motu obi atua emusie to yesanso tua sanitation and pollution levy na nya emusie na pollute no. So if you are taking sanitation and pollution levy on petrol and diesel, which is an indirect tax again and emission also we are for double taxation. Jomama said no so about where they obetwam. Na ade ba ko there port fees and charges. Na say Jomama any good share. I'm sure you've seen the video. Car be an adam for be clear. Are not already fees and charges here. Eguso 24 fees and charges 24. Now we see taxes ni fees ni bia. Udwen wa wonte ase. Enti omo ko kra nyama ne ba du port wa. Omo tue sika we nyina. Omo de nyama ne be du dwom no mato buo no. Enye omo fault is because of Bawumia. Ono the dada omo me the benchmark value discount oba me beti duty so ene kohwe. Duty your port one of the highest in Africa. And we see beto about trofo or so better duty so. Now be see as one share ma. Udi can share boss with the benchmark value discount or better duty so na ko si say. Ah and 8 years after o san so share boss say o better your port duty so ama ne to go ayepe. Ufi ze Ghana for your huri anim ko so. Free port. We did Toronto Craman Refino. Kojo, President Mahama see fees and charges at the port or better so. Now, the Ayame Debako in Humano VAT, Yaba Bessa Samran, VAT flat rate 3% in Yibicum. Yempeso be to 3%. No, be to no, you VAT flat rate in Obi 1 VAT. What is here? Common standard. Sa VAT threshold no so yeba be increase. Inti enyuma nkete bojo enyuma no yebe yi o mafim. GRA for how mododo. It doesn't allow the businesses to grow. Inti enyuma nkete wa small and micro businesses yebe exempt omo from VAT. Then edwuma bia yebe bie no mono from 2025 eko John Mahama betena konwa so a. Any newly incorporated small medium scale business 2 years after your incorporation, untua corporate tax, untua personal income tax. Okay. And yes, untua na febo first 2 years because company be out here. Onya be 2 years. No dey ahye ne nyema. Company 99 nyina na o krisi tax. O be good company no kra. Ama the potential one wa kele no. Ontumi kra me create nyuma. So nyansa wo mu se obema no 2 years. Moratorium. Onye ne tuo bia na company ni gina afi wakwa akwaje woto. John Mahama is a visionary leader. That is how he thinks. So these are some of the tax reforms I there by. Ebema businesses why high omo. Look, today high cost of business has pushed out many companies, and they are not going to US. They are not going to UK. They are going to Burkina. Businesses in free Ghana, omo Nigeria, omo Togo, omo Cote d'Ivoire. Me no can say Big Pen omo free Ghana. Unilever co, Global co. They are all going to other African countries. Why? Because of the high tax payments and the high cost of doing business. Now, the businesses are more cruel. And that is why President Mahama says all the tax measures we buy. Now, because a common de wa. Now we try to get to the Maria when we nam. na come de so enkyerese fa onsam yenu didi yenye sika benye sika bia ne sika taxes na dos Bawumia Kotena Joy FM 2016. I said the taxes are hurting the economy, and if you bring too much taxation, you end up in a downward cyclical spiral. Okay, bro, textbooks economic theories, and then also posterity as exposing. And then you be say, what's will be e-levy? COVID levy don't even share, but will be year free because on one at the buy. Now e-levy also be year free. One and some true need could be sending answer. Some say now then I wouldn't free was this year. Kojo. What's the answer?
Sir, we used to see about the president of
or say, if he was here, Onya manifesto. He needs a manifesto. Eti, or no manifesto or here in Ghana for better Ukraine because he manifesto. It is Anna what to Abamanua 2025. Ubisana Bawumia na win betting levy e-levy free because I'm free 2028 made then manifesto. Me and this year I said 2028 mean binye. So what be a woman with him. Who told you say taxes and non kwana Ghana problems are we free wa watch na wunya adwuma. This man is totally is it Bawumia no that about ena wakuku school akese na wasunsua textbook onte amanyo sen ase and onim e hawo ne ahokyera abena Ghana fo edi no onim bi ento ogina simpie so no kasa ho oyi concert na obi ansere no esere asem anya sere ya no say no ade wo se wo better taxes so and Ghana sika sem nyina so nsa ne hye and Akufo Addo so say we are sebu nyansa nyina anya ono Akufo Addo tim na wo tie me ye ba we are sebu nyansa nyina ba wo me tim na wo e bia wo hwe me wo say Sammy Gyamfi me boa ma me ma source NPP last rally omo ye Ayawa so West were gone by election Google it ko YouTube ko na Akufo Addo kan wo say we are sebu nyansa nyina ba wo me tim na wo e be de na ba wo me we are sebu nyansa nyina Akufo Addo se ni tim na wo otu Akufo Addo for say 11 nya de pa intwemu a ontwem na Akufo Addo still onye NPP ni Bawumia onye NPP ni eti NPP for party no edimu na Bawumia ejina na NPP na nkasa se 11 nye COVID 11 ade no mutimi nyimfiri wona all right eti aye entro ene na da
yo witi ho because GC news so na wo no say we nya subscribe ya bomodi na say over subscribe sansa ha the latest info kwa na ye de FM na fe so ubi a wa like video no na fe share ma ofofro so na wonye bi hwe na wo ya ekoso ewo Ghana mamwa also bit me actually wadin Afriyie and so we na ewo comment box me weti mekabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.